How to cancel a Netflix free trial. Netflix is a US-based company that allows Internet users to stream media whenever they want to from specific countries around the world. After you've subscribed to Netflix, you can stream media from North and South America, some Caribbean countries, and parts of Europe. In order to start streaming on Netflix, you'll need to sign up first. For the first month, you won't pay anything. However, you're required to pay to continue streaming after the 1-month free subscription. If you don't cancel the subscription, you'll start being billed at the end of your 1-month free trial. You can cancel your Netflix account on your own or get in touch with administrators to help you cancel the free trial. Canceling the free trial yourself. Launch an Internet browser. Double-click a browser's shortcut icon on your desktop to open it. If you want, you can just open a new browser tab on an already opened browser. Go to Netflix. Once the browser is open, click the search bar at the top of the screen and type in https://www.netflix.com. This will bring you to the home page. Log in. Click the Login link to go to the login page. Then on that page, enter your email and password in the provided text fields. Once done, click the Sign In button to continue. Go to Help. On the upper right corner of the Netflix home page, you'll see a link to Your Account and AMP Help. Click the link. Cancel membership. On clicking it, you'll be directed to a page with a section labeled Account Information. On the right side of your current page, you should be able to see Cancel Membership link. Follow the Cancel Membership link and read through the terms of cancellation. After going through the terms of cancellation, you need to check the box that shows you agree with the terms. You can now go ahead and click on Complete Cancellation so as to complete the process. Netflix will send you an email confirming that your subscription has been cancelled and therefore you won't be billed.